Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I am going to be giving you 55 video ideas. So if you're a up-and-coming influencer, you want to start a channel, or you already have a channel but you're kind of lost for video ideas, I'm going to be helping you out today. So this is going to be the 2023 version of the YouTube video ideas. I'm going to give you some videos that may help you, get subscribers, go viral, all that. So if you are interested in the video, just keep watching. My name is Kera Nichelle. Do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and let's get right into the video. So I have all my video ideas written down for y'all. I'm just gonna go ahead and start. So the first one I have is a weekend vlog, which vlogs, y'all know, are very popular. I have day in the life vlog, travel vlog, birthday vlog, nail vlog, productive vlog, which would be you just showing yourself being productive for the day, whether that's working out, grocery shopping, just anything that would be considered productive, and then an exercise vlog. Y'all, I'm also going to touch on like more vlogs later on, but all those, when I mentioned vlog, like those came to mind. So next thing I'm going to say is what's in my bag. I've seen where people do what's in my bag as far as their purse, or I've seen where people have done what's in like their pamper bag. You can do a haul, which, a clothing haul, a shoe haul, a perfume haul, just a haul of anything that you have that is a collection that you want to show off. I have routine videos, so you can do a shower routine, a morning routine, a nighttime routine. I feel like these videos are very popular and been popular for a minute. You can also do a get ready with me. You could do a chit chat get ready with me. A regular good get ready with me to me would be you just getting ready, kind of just showing, maybe the products you're using and showing your outfit and letting that be it. A chit chat get ready with me, you can pretty much have different topics that you want to talk about, whether they're topics that's going on in your life or trending topics or anything like that. The next thing I have is a playlist video. So you can do like a lit playlist. You could do hot girl playlist, just any songs that you're listening to. The next thing I have is girl talk / motivational video. I kind of put the girl talk and the motivational video in there together because I feel like a lot of times the girl talk videos are motivational videos. The next thing I have is a hair wash day video, so you can show your hair washing routine when you wash your hair, all of that. The next thing that I have, if you like to cook, you could do a cook with me video. If you like to shop, or you're having one day where you're going to be doing a lot of shopping, you can do a shop with me video. You could do a deep clean or a clean with me video. We all have times we have to deep clean our place, so that's a good idea. Also, you could do a organize with me, so you could show, you either organizing different rooms in your house. Like I did a bathroom organization video, y'all. If you haven't seen it, make sure you check it out. But you could organize your bathroom, your room, your kitchen, just any room in your house you can organize. The next thing I have is a thrift with me. So if you like to go to the thrift store and find different things, you can actually, take your subscribers with you and just show how you shop, what you find, all of that. You could do a weekly vlog, which would just be, you showing your week. You could do a waking up at 5 a.m. vlog. So I think these are popular as well, where you just wake up at 5 a.m. You can either do it for a day, for a week, and just show how productive you can be by waking up that early. You can do a get to know me / Q&A. I would recommend doing something like this. Once you have an audience, you can go on your IG, you can have them ask questions, and then you can answer them on your channel. You can do a outfit lookbook, which that can be just any season. Any season, that could be spring, fall, summer. And for a lookbook, you can either choose to talk and explain your outfits, or you could just have, your aesthetic music and you just changing outfits and showing your outfits. So you don't necessarily have to talk to do that. You can do any sort of unboxing video. If you just bought something, you can show, your cell phone, your computer, your shoes, your purse, anything. A self-care vlog, so you could just show how you keep yourself up. You can also do a decorate with me. Those seem to be really popular. People love to see how people are decorating their places. You could do a Amazon haul. I know we all love ordering from Amazon. You can do a house tour / apartment tour. People love those as well. They can get an idea of what kind of place they're looking for. You could do a maintenance vlog, just showing how you keep yourself up, like showing you get your hair done, your nails done, your lashes, stuff like that. You could do wig installs. I feel like this would be a good idea because wig installs are evolving. And so I feel like with wig installs, there is always a new way to install your wig. So you can do the latest wig install. Recreating celebrity looks. This seems to be really popular. So if you're a fan of a celebrity, or you see a celebrity just has a really popular trendy look, you can recreate that on your channel. The hair, the makeup, the outfit, everything. You can do a pack with me if you're getting ready to go on vacation and just showing what you pack and how you pack. You can do a drive with me video. I've seen where people do these where you're just driving. You can talk about different things. You can do your playlist while you're driving. You can, you know, talk about trending topics, whatever you want to talk about. You can do an unpopular opinion video, and that's just giving your unpopular opinion. If you get a new car and you want to show it off, you feel like you got a cool car, you can do a car tour. The next thing, you can do a makeup look. You know, there always are new makeup looks. You could do like a no makeup look, a filtered effect makeup, clean makeup, natural makeup, heavy makeup, whatever you want to do. You can talk about trending topics or like commentary. You know, when people have channels where they strictly talk about what's going on as far as celebrities and they give their commentary on it, you can do that. You can also do show / movie reviews. Those are very popular as well, especially if it's a very popular show or a movie that just came out in a movie theater. People, believe me, they search for reviews to see if the movie is worth going to see or not. So you could do pranks. People do all kind of pranks. Pranks is not necessarily my thing, but to each his own. If you feel like you're good at pranking people, you can definitely do pranks on your channel, and they're very popular. You could do a Sunday reset video / vlog where you just show yourself getting yourself together for the upcoming week. So yeah, you can do how you grew your Instagram or your YouTube. Those are very popular. I feel like with all social media platforms, the algorithm is constantly changing. So you can show Instagram growth, YouTube growth, TikTok growth, whatever you want to show and how you grew it. You can also do how I edit my Instagram videos or YouTube pictures. That's popular as well. Especially if you want to grow, then of course you want to know how to edit your videos, edit your pictures, how you can get them very clean cut looking. You can also do, which I didn't realize there was a niche for this and this was popular, but laundry routine or laundry vlog. Y'all, people love to watch how other people do their laundry, what's their routine, all of that. So you can show that. If you're moving, you could do a moving vlog, just showing yourself packing up your place, showing yourself buying stuff for your new place. You can do, I said college vlog, so if you're in college, you can follow your journey being a college student. You can show your day in the life. I feel like that's interesting, especially for someone who wants to go to college. They see your journey, they can get an idea of what goes on in your campus. It can help them decide what school to go to. So yeah, I put day in the life of and whatever your career is. So people do day in the life of a nurse, day in the life of a dental hygienist. This is if you are allowed to record yourself at work. So I wouldn't just do it and then it'd be a problem. Don't get yourself fired trying to get content, but that's always a good idea. And if you don't mind people knowing what you do and seeing where you work at, then yeah. Grocery haul / vlog. I feel like these can be very trendy. People want to see where you shopped at, what you got right now, especially everybody is on the Trader Joe's bandwagon. But you can always show what you got. Gives people an idea of what these different grocery stores have and what to get. The next thing I put is hygiene vlog slash haul. These videos have been really popular. You can show yourself going hygiene shopping and all of that and showing what you got. And then the last thing I put is a life update. So if you already have a following and something happens in your life, or you know, just a mental health check-in, anything like that, you can always talk to your subscribers, let them know what's going on in your life, especially if you vlog your life, so they'll be up to date with everything. So it could be like a sit down video or whatever. So yeah, y'all, I know I was kind of quick with that, but I hope this helped and it gets you out of the rut of being stuck or just feeling like you have a block with coming up with content. I feel like there are so many things that you can do that can help you get off the ground, get your content rolling. So yeah, y'all, I really hope that you guys enjoy this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Don't forget to follow me on my social media pages. I'm gonna have everything linked down in the description box below, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye.